Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Snevika Bloodhouse.
As you might have observed, we didn't post many contents recently, so we really apologize for that. And as the summer is here, we like to prepare as many contents as possible so that you can plan your summer adventures.
One fun activity which you can do in Germany in summer is to enjoy the Sommerrodelbahn.
Today we are going to one of such Sommerrodelbahn in Black Forest. These rodelbahns are quite fun. In these rodelbahns, you can also take your small kids along with you and you can control the speed with the handbrake. So that gives you the freedom how fast you want to go.
So these Rodelbahns are for your whole family.
From kids to grandparents.
Today in this video we will show you how you can reach to this Rodelbahn, how much does it cost.
And all the details you need to know to plan your adventure in this place.
This was our first Rodelbahn experience and we had lot of fun.
Come, let's check out the fun ride.